Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the library catalog. First, how to access it. Here in the URL, you're going to change the www in our web page to library. So it now says library.venturausd.org. Then you're going to select our school and go to catalog. In the catalog, let's say you want to find out if we have a certain book. This is a classic. And so you're going to click on title. And sure enough, we have this book in our library. We have it in many different forms. It's important to check. Now, do we have it available? Here, we have one of two available. Here we have one of one available. If we had 0 of 1 available, and that was the only copy, you would not want to reserve it because you wouldn't be able to get it. Let's say you want to find out if we have books by a certain author. Type in that author's name. Looks like someone already has. And click on author. And sure enough, we do. We have 13 titles by Ray Bradbury here. Again, make sure they are available before you request them. Let's say you don't really know of a certain author or a certain book, but you know you have certain interests. You know you like certain things. And one of those things might be baking. You want to see if we have any books about baking. First, click on keyword. And in keyword, you'd see, sure enough, yes, we do have baking. We even have some fiction books about baking. We could also select subject. We only have 6 titles there. So subject will give you a narrower search with fewer results, which might be good in sometimes. Now let me show you another power tab. The power tab, let's say you have certain interests and you want to find books about those things. You know you like mysteries, but you also like sports. So you want to know if there are any books, mysteries about sports, and you also want to make sure that they're fiction. And click on search. And we have some really cool books here. Strike 3, you're dead. Oh, it's not available. Hope somebody returns that soon. Let's see what this one's about. Say It Ain't So by Josh Burke. Lenny gets jealous when Mike makes the school baseball team, but together they and other Mike stumble upon a stealing signals scandal that could go further up than anyone knows. Maybe it's about the Houston Astros and trash can lids. So that's how you use the Destiny catalog. Happy reading.